Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the bottom for a secure base. Thread both lace ends through the lowest pair of eyelets, entering from the outside so the eglets sit inside the shoe. This keeps the lace tails even. Once done, pull tight to remove slack but not so hard it puckers the tongue. Make sure to align the patterned black and white sections symmetrically. This creates the panda look. If one side is longer, slide the lace through the bottom hole slightly to rebalance before moving up. You now work up the shoe with consistent technique. For Panda Dunk's high top, crisscrossing yields the classic aesthetic and even pressure. Cross left over right, then feed each eglet up to the next opposite eyelet. Make sure to pull each cross to the same tension so the shoe hugs your foot uniformly. Uneven pulls cause hot spots. Once you reach the middle rows, pause and test fit. Flex your ankle to ensure comfort. If it feels tight, loosen the last two crosses slightly before proceeding. Finish by threading the laces through the top two eyelets and deciding on function. Wrap around the ankle for extra support or tie a clean double knot for everyday wear. You want the knot snug but not restrictive. Tuck extra lace behind the tongue or use a lace lock for a tidy look. If lengths look uneven at the end, don't start over. Simply unthread one side back 2 rows and reroute the eglet through the adjacent hole to rebalance quickly. That fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.